3 Subaru cars you should buy and 3 you should avoid in 2026. This is a full-length, high-energy, cinematic storytelling script designed for YouTube, documentaries, automotive review channels, and premium voiceover productions. The tone is energetic, dramatic, exciting, and immersive, focusing on emotional connection, deep specs, design, driving experience, and wow moments, without scenes or dialogues, just continuous storytelling. The year 2026 marks a powerful turning point for Subaru. A brand once known mainly for its rugged reliability and loyal fan base has now stepped into a bold new era of innovation, refinement, performance, and technology. Across its lineup, Subaru has refined its legendary all-wheel drive systems, upgraded interiors, sharpened exterior designs, and introduced smarter powertrains. But not every Subaru is created equal. Some models stand out as absolute champions of value, reliability, and driving satisfaction, while others carry risks, compromises, and hidden drawbacks that buyers should approach with caution. In this deep dive cinematic journey, we explore 3 Subaru cars you should confidently buy in 2026 and 3 that are best avoided, uncovering the engineering, design, driving character, and real-world ownership experience behind each one. We begin with the champions, the Subaru models that represent the very best of what the brand offers in 2026. The first and most compelling choice is the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek, a vehicle that has evolved from a humble crossover into a true benchmark in its class. For 2026, the Crosstrek receives one of its most important upgrades ever, the elimination of the underpowered base engine. Every model now comes standard with Subaru's stronger 2.5-liter flat-4 engine, producing a confident surge of power that transforms the driving experience. Acceleration is noticeably sharper, highway merging becomes effortless, and overtaking no longer feels like a calculated risk. The driving character becomes smoother, more responsive, and far more engaging. Beyond raw performance, the Crosstrek's design sees refined sculpting, sharper lighting elements, and a more premium stance. The front fascia features a bold hexagonal grille flanked by modern LED headlights, creating a striking road presence. Subtle contour lines along the sides add a sense of motion even at a standstill, while the rear adopts a clean, aerodynamic profile that improves efficiency and stability. Every angle reflects purposeful engineering blended with adventure-ready style. Inside, the Crosstrek becomes a sanctuary of technology and comfort. The large vertically oriented touchscreen dominates the dashboard, offering seamless smartphone connectivity, fast response times, and intuitive controls. Premium materials wrap around the cabin, replacing earlier hard plastics with soft touch surfaces, refined stitching, and modern textures. The seating position is commanding yet comfortable, offering excellent visibility while maintaining sporty engagement. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, while the cargo area easily accommodates luggage, adventure gear, and everyday utility. Underneath, Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system delivers unmatched traction, providing exceptional grip in rain, snow, dirt, and unpredictable terrain. Combined with upgraded suspension tuning, the Crosstrek achieves a ride quality that balances comfort and confidence, absorbing road imperfections while maintaining precise handling. Fuel efficiency remains impressive, while the new hybrid variant introduces a more eco-conscious option without sacrificing performance. This fusion of reliability, rugged capability, modern technology, and engaging driving dynamics positions the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek as one of the smartest automotive purchases of the year. It is the rare vehicle that excels equally in city commuting, long highway journeys, and weekend adventures, making it an undeniable winner. The second Subaru that shines in 2026 is the legendary Forester, a name synonymous with safety, durability, and family practicality. The 2026 Forester refines everything that made its predecessors successful, while injecting a new sense of sophistication and confidence. Built on Subaru's global platform, the chassis feels more rigid, quieter, and better isolated from vibrations, resulting in a driving experience that feels composed and premium. The exterior design evolves with sharper character lines, a wider stance, and a more commanding front grille. The LED lighting signature enhances visibility while creating a distinctive visual identity, instantly recognizable on the road. Aerodynamic improvements reduce wind noise and improve fuel economy, contributing to a smoother, more refined driving sensation. Inside, the Forester delivers exceptional space utilization. Tall rooflines create an airy atmosphere, while expansive glass areas provide panoramic visibility. The cabin feels open, bright, and welcoming, making long drives more relaxing and enjoyable. The seats offer outstanding comfort, with supportive bolstering and premium materials that enhance both luxury and durability. Rear passengers benefit from abundant legroom, and the cargo area stands among the most generous in its class. Technology plays a crucial role in the Forester's appeal. Subaru's advanced EyeSight driver assistance system delivers adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, and intelligent hazard detection. These features combine to create one of the safest driving environments available, reinforcing Subaru's reputation for class-leading safety engineering. The Forester's all-wheel drive system, paired with intelligent torque vectoring, ensures stability across all conditions. Whether navigating wet city streets, snowy mountain passes, or gravel trails, the Forester maintains calm, predictable control. The suspension tuning prioritizes comfort, absorbing road imperfections while preserving confident handling. In real-world ownership, the Forester earns consistent praise for its reliability, low maintenance costs, and long-term durability. Owners report minimal mechanical issues, excellent fuel efficiency for its size, and outstanding resale value. This combination of practicality, safety, comfort, and reliability makes the 2026 Subaru Forester one of the most sensible family SUVs available, delivering peace of mind alongside everyday usability. The third must-buy Subaru of 2026 is the newly redesigned Outback, a vehicle that blurs the line between rugged SUV and refined touring wagon. For this generation, Subaru pushes the Outback deeper into premium territory, elevating comfort, technology, and driving sophistication. The exterior design embraces a bold, muscular presence, with a wider stance, more aggressive wheel arches, and a commanding front fascia. The raised ride height reinforces its adventurous character, while aerodynamic refinements improve efficiency and stability. The Outback looks equally at home navigating urban streets or tackling remote landscapes. Step inside, and the transformation becomes immediately apparent. The cabin adopts a modern minimalist layout, anchored by a massive high-resolution touchscreen that integrates navigation, climate control, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Materials throughout the interior reflect a commitment to premium quality, with soft leather surfaces, refined stitching, and subtle metallic accents creating an upscale ambiance. Comfort reaches new heights in the 2026 Outback. The seats provide exceptional support for long-distance driving, while advanced noise insulation delivers a serene cabin environment even at highway speeds. Rear passengers enjoy expansive legroom, and the panoramic roof floods the interior with natural light, enhancing the sense of space and openness. Performance remains a key strength. The available turbocharged engine delivers strong acceleration, allowing confident overtaking and effortless cruising. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive provides unwavering traction, while refined suspension tuning strikes a perfect balance between ride comfort and handling precision. The Outback glides over rough roads while maintaining composed cornering behavior. For long journeys, the Outback becomes an ideal companion. Its large cargo area easily accommodates luggage, outdoor equipment, and travel essentials. Advanced driver assistance systems reduce fatigue, while the smooth ride quality transforms extended drives into relaxing experiences. Now, we turn to the Subaru models that demand caution in 2026. The first is the Subaru Solterra, the brand's ambitious leap into the electric vehicle market. On paper, the Solterra offers impressive specifications, a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, modern styling, and advanced technology. However, real-world ownership reveals significant compromises. Range remains a primary concern. Despite improvements, the Solterra struggles to match competitors in efficiency, especially in cold climates or during highway driving. Charging speeds lag behind industry leaders, making long-distance travel more inconvenient. Software glitches have plagued early versions, affecting infotainment responsiveness, charging reliability, and system stability. Interior quality, while modern, falls short of expectations for its price point. Some materials feel underwhelming, and fit and finish inconsistencies detract from the premium experience buyers expect from a high-cost EV. Long-term reliability remains uncertain, as Subaru lacks extensive experience in electric vehicle production, increasing ownership risk. While the Solterra represents an important technological step forward for Subaru, it remains a first-generation product with notable growing pains. Buyers seeking dependable, hassle-free ownership are better served by Subaru's proven gasoline and hybrid models. The second model to approach with caution is the Subaru Ascent, the brand's largest SUV. While its spacious interior and three-row seating promise family-friendly versatility, the reality reveals several compromises. Fuel efficiency is a major drawback. The heavy chassis combined with a turbocharged engine results in disappointing real-world mileage, significantly increasing ownership costs. The CVT transmission, though improved, still faces durability concerns under heavy loads, especially during towing or mountainous driving. Interior design, while comfortable, begins to feel dated compared to newer rivals. Infotainment responsiveness, graphics quality, and material refinement lag behind competitors in the same price segment. Ride quality can feel unsettled over rough surfaces, and the vehicle's sheer size makes urban maneuvering more challenging. Reliability history also raises concerns. Previous generations experienced recalls and drivetrain complaints, leading to inconsistent long-term dependability. While Subaru has implemented improvements, lingering skepticism remains among owners and mechanics alike. The third model to approach carefully is the base trim 2026 Subaru Outback. While the Outback as a whole is an excellent vehicle, the first-year base trim introduces new infotainment software and electronic systems that carry potential early production glitches. Reports of touchscreen lag, connectivity drops, and system freezes have emerged from early adopters. Although these issues are likely to be resolved through updates, buyers seeking hassle-free ownership may benefit from choosing mid-level trims with proven hardware configurations or waiting until the next production cycle. In summary, Subaru's 2026 lineup delivers remarkable highs and notable lows. The Crosstrek stands as the ultimate all-rounder, blending performance, technology, reliability, and versatility into a single compelling package. The Forester continues its legacy as a dependable family companion, offering safety, comfort, and long-term durability. The Outback emerges as a refined adventure tourer, delivering luxury, capability, and driving enjoyment. Conversely, the Solterra highlights the risks of early EV adoption, the Ascent struggles with efficiency and reliability concerns, and the base trim Outback presents early-generation technology challenges. For buyers seeking maximum value, confidence, and driving satisfaction in 2026, choosing wisely within Subaru's lineup can unlock years of enjoyable ownership. The right Subaru becomes more than just transportation, it becomes a trusted companion, a symbol of freedom, and a gateway to unforgettable journeys.